they developed something called the climate reality check, which was basically a version of the Bechdel test. Are there Bechdel tests for those unfamiliar? Is there a scene in your film or TV show with two women talking about something which was not a man? And so they did a climate version of the Bechdel test, and they applied it to 250 of the most popular films of the like 2015 to 2025 period, basically, roughly that period, based on IMDb ratings, just to get a rough sense of 250 most popular films. And they said, or what was it, 2013 through 2022. And they said, how many of these films passed the climate Bechdel test of having any mention of climate change in them? About 9.5%.
Yeah.
Which was, again, wow, that's low. And the one positive was that it went up. Of the first half of that decade, it was 5.6%. Over the second half of the decade, 13.6%. So, higher awareness.
Yeah.
These were the kinds of stories that got me thinking, okay, there's value here in writing about what are the representations of climate and clean energy and biodiversity and fossil fuels. What